With Flutter, removing a widget completely is easy. You just rebuild without it. But what if you need that widget to disappear, but still take up space, so the rest of your layout stays where it is, the way iOS is hidden and Android's invisible work? Try an opacity widget. Just wrap your widget with opacity, set the value to 0, and you're all set. You can also use opacity for blending one child of a stack onto another. And if you want to animate a change in opacity, there's an animated opacity widget too. Just give it an opacity and a duration, and when you rebuild, it animates the change automatically. For more info on opacity and all the other Flutter widgets, head to flutter.io.